This is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. This is pretty much a template-based application here where you get a lot of premium templates which you can use. Some of them you may require pro or subscription. As you can see here, we'll see a crown icon over those templates. However, you have a lot of templates which you can choose from. Here you have a few, as you can see here, a lot of them. So let's say, for example, you want to use this one here. Once you've selected the template that you want to use, all you have to do is pretty much tap on the create now, and based on your information, you can either select the size or the aspect ratio of the template, widescreen, square screen, or portrait screen, and you pretty much select whichever option you would like to use this template. So that's really pretty much it. It's a template based application here, and as well can create animation as well, not just intros or music visualization. Pretty much can create a lot of things, but these are templates. All I have to do is just select whichever one you want and go through your setup process. Very, very easy to use. And as well, once you have created anything as it relates to these templates, you can pretty much see it in the video project section and as well template project section here. So if you do tap on the video option here, as you can see here, we'll see other information as well as it relates to your storage, and you can go ahead and edit that as well. The favorite section, we'll see it here as well. All your favorite templates will be shown here. So that's really pretty much it for this application, and as well the subscription base, as you can see, you're going to tap on the pro option at the top here and be able to see your subscription prices and pretty much what you're getting as it relates to your subscription. So do keep in mind, not just template, they offer a lot of other tools. You have AI tools we can use. You have the video AI option, you have the image AI option, not just templates. So if I do tap on the video AI option, I'll be able to create AI videos using this. So all you have to do is enter what you want to create here, and you can enable this feature which automatically enhance the quality of your prompt and as well what you enter here. So if you don't have anything in mind, you can always use these preset ones that they have given you. As you can see here, you can select this one here, for example, and you have some other ones you can create. So here you have at the top, which I've shown you guys earlier, these are the animated templates. You can also create animations using this application, which is very great. Quality is very great. I'm not gonna lie, you have other tools as well which you can use. You have the social media option. You have some templates here which you can try out as well. So not just AI videos, AI images as well. You can create AI images. You can see here they have a lot of models which you can choose from. You have the application modeling area. You have the well-known AI models which you can use as well. You have the banana, and all you have to do is select whichever one you want to use. Do keep in mind, gonna need credits to generate these images, so you're gonna need a subscription. So here as well, you can pretty much enter your prompt, and down here you can add your image as a reference, and as well they do offer styles as which you can use for your videos, and as well the aspect ratio for your videos. And in the inspiration section, these are just templates which you can easily select. Let's say, for example, you want to use the Santa one here and pretty much get the effects like this. All you have to do is select whichever one you want to use, and it will, and pretty much just upload a picture of yourself or similar to this one here, and you pretty much get these results. Very, very simple. And pretty much anything that you have generated with this application will show in this section here. So it won't show in this history section that I've shown earlier, but in the AI image section. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. If I've missed anything or anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. See if we can help you. See you in the next one.